Welcome to Make Made Simple. Today we will be doing the last problem only, but with a slightly different approach. So we had solved the last problem till here. We have found we had founded the support reactions at Fa and Fc. Now, because these are two right angle triangles, so we can apply a different method here to solve the forces in the internal members. So we will first see at point C here. So we have a upward force. We have Fc equals to 1830. This is our Fc. Then we have a force in this direction and a force in this direction. Now we can see that this is 1830. This is 1830, which corresponds to the height is 5 meters. From here to here it is 5 meters. Now this side is 8.66, and this is FCD. And this one length is 10 meters, and this is FBC. Now we can equate these three values like I'm going to show here now. So 1830 divided by 5, the length of the side, then FCD divided by 8.66 and FBC divided by 10. This is the relation that we have got. So this value is known. So these two values can be found out. So these two values can be found out as FBC will come out as 3660 and FCD will be 3170. So these are our two values for FBC and FCD. Now we can look at point A. At point A we have three forces. One is going up, and it is 3170, and this corresponds to 5. And then another one is going down and one is going like this. So this is going down, and this is going like this. So we have this side as 7.07, and this is FAB, and we have this side as 5, and this is FED. Now we know one of these values. Because these two sides are same, This is 5, this is 5, so FAD will be equal to this. So AD is equals to 3170 newtons. And from the relation, this 3170 divided by 5, this one divided by this equals to this one divided by this. FAB divided by 7.07. From this, we can have FAB equals 4482. So we have the values that we have found here are FAB, FAB, FAD, FCD, and FBC. And we have FBD. We are left FBD. Now we can see that here summation of forces in the y direction. There is only one force in the y direction, that is 5000. So FBD equals 5000 newtons. So these are the internal forces are 5 members. So that was all for today. You could have a look at the board. So if you have enjoyed the video, please do like the video, subscribe to my channel and share it among your friends. Thank you.